Yeah, I played the Red River Valley, sit in the kitchen and cry, run my fingers through 70 years of living, wonder if everywhere we drilled was dry. We was friends, me and this old man, desperados waiting for a train, desperados waiting for a train. As soon as I could walk, he'd take me with him to a place called the Green Frog Cafe. There was old men with beer guts and dominoes, lying about their lives while they played. And I was just a kid, they always called me sidekick. Desperados waiting for a train, desperados waiting for a train. Desperados waiting for a train, desperados waiting for a train. Yeah, he's a drifter, he's a driller in oil wells. He's an old school man of the world. He taught me how to drive the car when he's too drunk to. When he give me money for the girl, and our life was like some old western movie. Desperados waiting for a train, desperados waiting for a train. One day I looked up, he's pushing 80. He had the brown tobacco stains all down his chin. To me, he's one of the heroes of this country. So as he's all dressed up like them old men, just begging beer and playing pool. and 42. Desperados waiting for a train. Desperados waiting for a train. Oh, the day before he died, I went to see him. I was grown, he was almost gone. We closed our eyes and we dreamed us of a kitchen. Sang another verse of that old song. Like desperados waiting for a train. Desperados waiting for a train. Desperados waiting for a train. Desperados waiting for a